Welcome to this user guide that will take you through the simple process of removing clothes from your Bitmoji avatar on Snapchat. Bitmoji is a popular feature that allows users to create personalized digital avatars, representing them in various situations and environments. And while Bitmoji offers a wide range of clothing combinations, you might have wondered how you would look without clothes on your digital alter ego. The first thing we need to do is to check if our Snapchat application is updated to the latest version. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and locate the app in our store. After that, you can see whether my application isn't updated. Just click on Update and wait for the update to finish. If it only says Open, the application is updated to the latest version, and you can simply enter and proceed with the following steps. Once the update is completed, click again. Afterward, locate the Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then click on the icon here. Now, you're getting to your Bitmoji combinations. Let's say you want to remove the jacket. Click on the jacket icon here, then click on the deselect button here, and your jacket will be removed. We can also remove headwear. Click on the hat icon, then click the deselect button again. You can repeat this process to remove other parts of your Bitmoji combinations. When we're done, click on Save in the top right corner of the screen, and your changes will be saved. That's it for this video.